When it comes to roles, how can we make our characters reflect? The setting is different. And today we're going to do a set of character demonstrations. Let's talk about it. This time, the theme is also jungle hunters. So how do we reflect our role? Is it a hunter? And the answer is stereotype. Don't think it's a dirty word. The reason why stereotypes are stereotypical, just because when I saw him, we unconsciously associate to the concept he represents. But in our inherent person, a hunter is someone who carries a weapon in the wild. Occupation of hunting. There are two keywords: weapons and bracelets. Weapons first. The remaining weapons are not specific. It could be a bow and arrow. Can be long hair. Could be a musket. It can also be a trap or a forget. It's like playing a game to choose a career. Select different weapons. It gives us a sense of direction. It's a completely different kind of connection to a journalist. Bitter, but also because the hunter's weapon doesn't have train. Sex, so if only weapons. We still can't put it. Separate from other people. So we have to go one step further, even with a little bit of reasoning. Keep looking for lover characteristics. Then we can start from a hunting perspective. Let's develop it. Like what? Hunters because they want to be outdoors. Therefore, their clothing will place greater emphasis on flexibility rather than protective capabilities. Hunters need hammers. Prey develop mental disorder, so it doesn't carry a skinning knife. Survival tools like ropes. There will be more storage space on the body. The material most readily available to others is tree bark, so they often use leather on their clothing. Or dermabrasion material. To this point, the elements we unearthed. Enough to build a happy image. So how? Make him look even more unique? Very simple too. Give him personality. What kind of hunter is he? Is he tall or thin? Is it rough or tight? This can be done by the appearance of the character and movement to reflect the character you created. The bigger the contrast with the sci-fi impression, the more unique he is. Okay, so that's it for this video.
Bell notification subscribe.